Hello dear traders, you're on InstaForex TV channel and I'm Kate Stichina. A sudden change in Donald Trump's rhetoric triggered higher volatility on Forex on early Monday. Trump's warning of new tariffs could shift abruptly market sentiment on all trading assets. Instead of a long-awaited trade deal which should be finalized by the end of this week, investors were caught off guard by the scenario of the escalating trade conflict between the United States and China. This event determines market sentiment in the Asian and European session. The US dollar is trading mixed against its rival currencies. It is losing ground versus safe-haven assets and advancing versus risky assets. The dollar-franc pair shed 0.1% and settled down at 1.0156 in the first half of the trading day. The euro opened the European trade with a downtick. At present, the most popular currency pair is trading at near 1.1185. Trying to regain losses. Nevertheless, the overall trend remains bearish. If the euro-dollar pair does not sink below the intraday low of 1.1170 today, traders can expect the price to rebound to 1.1260. The market is thin in the European session as trading floors in the UK are closed for the public holiday. Today, traders focus on the Eurozone's PMI. The composite PMI, comprising the Eurozone's industry and services sector, edged down to 51.5 in April from 51.6 in March. The consensus suggested that the final reading should coincide with the flash estimate of 51.3. The pound sterling has been losing steam since a spike on Friday when it hit a one-month high versus the greenback at 1.3170. Today, the pound-dollar pair is trading at about 1.3107. Last week, investors shifted focus away from Brexit as the Bank of England signaled a possibility of a rate hike. However, today, Brexit is again putting pressure on the sterling because the opposition Labour Party does not believe in the cross-party Brexit deal. Besides, senior Labour figures say that they are dealing with a very unstable administration, as Theresa May could resign as a Prime Minister anytime. A final round of negotiations between the Labour Party and Conservatives over Brexit is due to begin on Tuesday. Thus, the pound sterling is running the risk of losing all its earlier gains. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Stay with us.